Assalamu alaikum. Today's quick revision topic is the life of Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas. He is one of the 10 blessed companions. Paragraph number 1 is the introduction. Hazrat Saad was born in Makkah in the clan of Banu Zohra. He was the cousin of Holy Prophet's mother. Therefore, Holy Prophet called him his maternal uncle. He was short and well built. He had thick hair, so people compared him to young lion. He was fond of making bows and arrows. Next paragraph is about his conversion. Hazrat Saad was not satisfied with the practices of Makkans at that time. Hazrat Abu Bakr persuaded him about Islam and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He met Holy Prophet and became the 17th convert. It was 610 or 11 AD. He was 17 at that time. After conversion, he had to face severe persecution from his beloved mother, who stopped drinking and eating anything. On one hand, he tried to convince his mother, and on the other hand, he was firm and determined in the matter of religion, Allah and His Prophet. At least she gave in. Muslims were secretly praying in a valley outside Makkah when a group of unbelievers encountered them, and Hazrat Saad struck one of them, leaving him wounded. This was the first encounter with Makkans. The Prophet calmed down Muslims and instructed them to remain patient. After migration and before the Battle of Badr, Holy Prophet sent a group of Muslims under Hazrat Saad's command. They raided a trade caravan of Quraysh. Here Hazrat Saad was the first to shoot arrow from Muslims. He participated in all the battles fought and led by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In Badr he lost his younger brother Hazrat Umair bin Abi Waqqas, who was martyred and the only teenage in Muslims' camp. During the Battle of Uhud, he shot arrows to defend Holy Prophet. The Prophet said, "Shoot Saad. May my mother and my father be sacrificed on you." Hazrat Ali says, "I have never heard Holy Prophet offering such ransom to anyone except Saad." The Prophet declared him to be one of the best archers of that time. In trench, he participated in digging the trench. He also fought against Quraysh and Banu Qurayza. He witnessed the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Hazrat Saad was also present in Khaybar, conquest of Makkah, Hunain, Taif and Tabuk expeditions. During the farewell pilgrimage, Hazrat Saad became ill, so he wrote his will and nominated his daughter for 1/3 of will as per Holy Prophet's instructions. During Hazrat Umar's caliphate, Hazrat Saad was made commander of Muslim army in Iraq and Iran. He was unable to take part in the main battle Qadisiyah due to sciatica pain, but he gave instructions from the roof of a house to his army and won the battle. Hazrat Saad is known as the conqueror of Iran. Hazrat Umar gave him the power to choose his successor. Hazrat Saad never wished to be caliph. He died in China in 674 AD.